Hi, my name is Jonathan, and I'm an engineer on the pipelines team. In this video, I'll be talking through some of the changes we've recently shipped to enhance support for GitHub merge queues. These updates are aimed at improving merge queue visibility within the Buildkite app, as well as providing users with a way to browse through historic merge queue builds. So to enable merge queue support for pipeline, you go to your pipeline's GitHub repository settings and ensure the new Build Merge Queues option is selected. This configuration will tell Buildkite to respond to merge group webhook events and create a merge queue build with properties about the merge group. These properties are exposed as conditionals and environment variables in the build, which enables you to target specific steps for merge queue builds only. And since GitHub requires commit statuses to be reported, merge queue builds can't be skipped. So these builds will ignore any pipeline level branch filter settings, as well as any skip directives via the commit message. This short demo will also demonstrate this config option that enables running builds belonging to any destroyed or dequeued merge groups to also be cancelled. So as I mentioned, this feature is dependent on Buildkite receiving merge group webhook events. So ensure the merge groups option is selected in your repository's webhook settings for Buildkite. Yeah, so I'm going to queue up some PRs I prepared and queue it up into the merge queue. So with these PRs queued, this will kick off a merge queue build in Buildkite momentarily. So let's jump back into our pipeline. And you can see these builds have been triggered here. If we jump into one of these merge queue builds, you can see that we can see which merge queue the build belongs to, as well as the pull requests associated with the merge group build. Now I'm going to fail this build so we can trigger a merge group destroyed event against the other PR. Yep, there we go. So going back to GitHub's merge queue page, we can see the status checks have failed. And if we refresh again, we can see the PR for the build for the second PR has re-enqueued. And this is reflected in the Buildkite UI, where the prior build has been cancelled and a new merge queue build has been initiated to run checks against the new state. To view all historical builds for a merge queue, we can navigate to the filtered list view directly, or by applying the corresponding filter manually. Any of the existing build filters is also available to further narrow down your search. For more information about the interaction between GitHub merge queues and Buildkite, we've prepared a tutorial diving into merge queue behavior, as well as going over the setup instructions I've walked through in this video. This tutorial will be available through Buildkite's documentation website.